Hi everybody, welcome to Study with Akshay and this is Akshay. In this video, we will be learning about magnifying glasses and some applications of concave and convex lenses. So before getting started, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit on the bell icon to get the regular notification. Yes. What is magnifying glass? Magnifying glass is also given by one more name, simple microscope, as per ICSE text. Simple microscope means a different, but as per ICSE textbook, my magnifying glasses itself is called simple microscope. They have given. It's not me who is saying. It's ICSE textbook has given like this. Okay, I'm not saying it's wrong, but few people take simple microscope as a different one. Okay, so magnifying glasses, way of using microscope. What is microscope? First of all, we might have seen in bio laboratories in our schools. We might have visited to bio laboratories. We might have seen. Else, whoever watching this video, please do Google it. You will get a microscope, different kinds of microscope. Usually in laboratories nowadays they use electron microscope or a compound microscope, right? So we might have done few experiments also using microscope. In most of the schools they might have done, right? So basically, before getting into depth of that, way of using microscope, a lens is placed near the eye and its distance from the object is adjusted in such that the image formed is behind the object is at a distance d from lens, where d is the least distance of the distant vision, that is 25 centimeter from the normal height. So basically the object should be placed 25 centimeter away from our eye. In such a way the microscope will be designed. Okay, so our main intention is not about microscope basically. Okay, so our intention is about magnifying glasses. Since they have given in your book, I am forced to put over here. So microscope, regarding this, nowhere questions will be asked, because ICSE board has no intentions, that too with the physics concept with a microscope. They have no intentions for 10th standard. It is only with respect to magnifying glasses. So this is how our magnifying glasses look. The lens will be placed over here, a holder and a frame. Within a frame, a lens will be placed. Most of you might have seen this, else whoever might have not seen how the magnifying glasses look. Here there is a picture of a magnifying glass. This is the same picture taken from the ICSE textbook, Selena textbook. Okay. So next, what is magnifying power? They are not told anywhere about the definition of magnifying glasses, nothing they have told. So that we will keep it aside. It is not required for us as well. As being an ICSE student, it's not required for us. So magnifying power, it is indicated by a letter capital M. Small m refers to linear magnification. Capital M refers to magnifying power, which is equal to 1 by d by f, where d is the distant vision, f is the focal length. So I have put over here, f is the focal length of the lens, d is the least distance of the distant vision from the normal eye. Usually it is 25 centimeters, not 25 meters. Don't get confused. It is 25 centimeters. Okay. Next. The magnifying power of a microscope can be increased by using a lens of a short focal length, but it cannot be increased indefinitely. What does this mean? By adding a lens with a short focal length, the power of magnification can be increased. The accuracy, the precision can be increased. Okay. So next, applications of lenses. So where are these lenses used? Usually we learned about two different forms of lenses, right? A convex and a concave lens. Right, in that only you might be knowing this. Most of you might be knowing this. People who wear spectacles, people who are more fascinated with science, people who use binoculars, all those things, they might be knowing this. But it's my duty to introduce to this concept. Okay, the objective lens of a telescope, camera, slide projector, etc. is a convex lens. Convex lenses are used in telescope, camera, and slide projectors. So basically, telescope, which are used in submarines, right? And then cameras, we regularly use photographic cameras, not your mobile phone cameras, different forms of cameras. Slide projectors. So you can see the projectors which will be put up in your classrooms. Right, those projectors is in a such a way that they are small projectors. While when they are coming over there, they will be the image forms will be big. In that cases, convex lens is used. Okay, then our eye lens is also a convex. A person suffering from. So what is this eye lens refers to? Without spectacles. This is not for a person who wears spectacles or for a person who don't wear. This is regularly for a common person, for a common human being, for a common animal, and eyes. It will have eyes, right? So those eyes will have some lenses. So this concept in your 10th standard, there is a chapter called sense organs in biology. Okay, over there you might be studying regarding the eye lenses and all. What are those lenses and all? So over there you remember that Akshay sir had taught me that eye lenses will have convex lenses will be in a regular eye. Okay, so only we can see the images surrounding us, right? Without any lens we cannot see. A person suffering from, sorry, a person suffering from hyperopia. So hypermetropia it is given over here. So unable to see nearer distance wear spectacles having convex lens. Hypermetropia is an old usage. So since this term is used in your textbook, I was forced to put. So hypermetropia has been changed now to hyperopia. Okay, hyperopia, not hypermetropia now, it's hyperopia. So unable to see nearer distance wear spectacles. People who cannot see nearer distance, they wear spectacles, which is called as long-sightedness. A person suffering from myopia, unable to see farther distance, wear spectacles having a concave lens. Okay, these are few applications of concave as well as convex only, not other lenses. Only two lenses we have studied, no? Only with those two lenses we are applying over here. Okay, so basically for a people who wear spectacles, they might be knowing that which lens they use right now, right? Next, magnifying glasses. What is magnifying glasses? Basically, the image form will be magnified. Right, where the image formed will be magnified, it will be with a convex lens because it has a short focal length. Okay, with a short focal length, it will be easily magnified. In a cali calinometer of a spectroscope, convex lens is used for obtaining a parallel beam of light. So this is one of the instrument where with science where we use a convex lens for obtaining an image. Okay, then next, a concave lens is used as a eye lens in a Galileo telescope. Galileo's telescope to obtain a final erect image of an object. Which lens? Concave lens. Right. So make a note of this concave lens. Okay. So there is a thing which is missed out. So I will say it orally. Please do make a note of it. To differentiation between a concave and a convex lens. Okay, by touching it. there are few criteria without touching and by touching it. By touching it, you can see the lens which is thick at its middle and thin at its periphery is a convex lens, whereas if it is a thin at its middle and thick at its periphery, it's a concave lens. We are all are aware of this, right? So this is by touching. By seeing the image, how can you differentiate it? So, on keeping a lens near a printed paper, if a letter appears magnified, then the lens is a convex lens, and if a letter appears diminished, then the lens is a concave lens. Okay, on keeping it on a printed paper, nearer to a printed paper, then if it is magnified, convex; if it is diminished, concave. Okay. On seeing the object through a lens, an inverted image is seen. Then the lens is a convex lens. If a upright erect image is seen, then it is a concave lens. Okay, this is a few differences which you must know. In few of the board papers, they have asked this. In one of the board paper, they had asked this. So I gradually remembered right now. So I wanted to say, so I told it. So hope you people have liked this video, understood the concepts done in this video. So if you have liked, please click on the thumbs up button. Please do share this video, comment on this video. And if you have not subscribed, as soon as possible, subscribe and click on the bell icon. For an ICSE student, if you click on a bell icon, it would be very useful for you, since all the videos will be uploaded according to the timing. Okay, and in my channel I am giving a detailed explanation, I think so, and most probably the doubts are also getting clarified. Right. So before ending this session, please do follow key COVID appropriate behavior, wear dual mask, sanitize at regular intervals, maintain social distancing. Together, let's all fight against this COVID-19 virus. Stay home, stay safe. We will come with the next video dealing with exercises 5A, set 1. Bye bye.